Welcome to the world of ZK AI TV. I am host of ZK Today video about AI technology, how to change world with AI technology. Let's jump to the video. If you get information from this video, then like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we embark on a journey through the realm of artificial intelligence, delving into its boundless possibilities and the hurdles it brings. In the realm of AI, we witness the marvel of realistic photo generation, the seamless automation of subtitles, and the intriguing alteration of voices and faces. AI's impact reverberates in the creation of authentic-looking images, the effortless production of subtitles, and the manipulation of facial and vocal features. From crafting convincing visuals to streamlining the captioning process and even modifying facial expressions and speech patterns, AI is revolutionizing media creation. Witness the evolution of AI as it refines the art of generating lifelike photos, simplifying the subtitling task, and reshaping how voices and faces can be altered. AI's prowess shines through in the precision of crafting realistic images, the efficiency in automating subtitles, and the innovation in modifying facial and vocal characteristics. Explore the realm where AI excels in generating authentic visuals, streamlining subtitle creation, and redefining the possibilities of altering faces and voices. Unveil the wonders of AI as it masters the art of producing lifelike photos, automating subtitle generation, and reshaping the landscape of facial and vocal transformations. Step into the future where AI thrives in generating realistic images, automating subtitles seamlessly, and reimagining the boundaries of facial and vocal modifications. Embrace the era where AI excels in creating lifelike visuals, simplifying subtitle processes, and redefining the horizons of facial and vocal alterations. Dive into the world where AI reigns supreme in crafting realistic photos, automating subtitles effortlessly, and reshaping the possibilities of facial and vocal adjustments. Experience the AI-driven revolution in producing authentic images, simplifying subtitle generation, and transforming the realm of facial and vocal adaptations. In the AI domain, witness the precision of generating lifelike visuals, the efficiency in automating subtitles, and the innovation in altering facial expressions and voices. Enter a realm where AI excels in crafting authentic images, streamlining subtitle creation, and redefining the possibilities of facial and vocal modifications. Discover the marvels of AI as it perfects the art of generating lifelike photos, automating subtitle creation, and reshaping the landscape of facial and vocal transformations. Uncover the potentials of AI as it thrives in producing realistic visuals, seamlessly automating subtitles, and reimagining the boundaries of facial and vocal alterations. Embrace the future where AI excels in creating lifelike images, simplifying subtitle processes, and redefining the horizons of facial and vocal adjustments. Plunge into the AI-driven world where crafting realistic photos, automating subtitles effortlessly, and reshaping the possibilities of facial and vocal adjustments are the norm. In a world where AI's potential applications are boundless, from enhancing creativity to reshaping entire industries, the impact on the job market is profound. As AI evolves, it not only automates tasks but also generates new job prospects, especially in the realm of AI development and implementation. Education stands as a cornerstone in preparing individuals for an AI-driven future, equipping them with the necessary skills to thrive in a transforming job landscape. Yet, ethical dilemmas loom large, particularly in areas like political manipulation and fraudulent activities, urging the need for vigilance and regulation. With AI's increasing sophistication, fostering awareness and enforcing regulations become imperative shields against potential misuse and harm. The transformative power of AI offers a glimpse into a future brimming with advancements and enhancements across various spheres of life. By staying informed, embracing education, and advocating for ethical AI practices, we can harness AI's benefits while safeguarding against potential risks. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the realm of artificial intelligence. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the AI landscape. Until next time, Keep your curiosity alive and continue exploring the endless possibilities that AI brings. Goodbye for now.
Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the wonders of science. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and stay engaged with the world around you.